Assalamualaikum and hi everyone.
Hi teacher.
Hello. Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Salam, hi teacher.
How your day today? Is it good?
I'm
Good.
good
I'm good.
teacher.
Alhamdulillah.
Fine, great.
Okay. Wow, that sounds good. I hope all of you are very in a good mood. And if not, you need to remember teacher always here for you guys, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay teacher. Okay teacher.
Good. Okay. So for today's class, we will learn the topic of gravitation. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, that's good. Before we start, I want to remind all of you to please have your breakfast before my class. Second, give all your attention to my class. Third, just raise your hand in chat box if you have a question. And lastly, do not forget to sign in your attendance, okay?
Sure.
Okay teacher.
By the end of this class, students will be able to define gravity, state Newton's law of universal gravitation in words, define the equation of the law, use the equation to solve problem, relate the force of gravity to the mass of an object, describe the universality of gravity, and explain the importance of knowing the gravitational acceleration of the planets in the solar system. So, we always hear people say about gravity, right? But teacher wants to ask you guys, do you really know what is the gravity is? So, start from Alia. What do you know about gravity?
Gravity is things that hold us to the earth.
Good. Next, Umi.
I think gravity pulls us on Earth but not in space.
Good. Then Najah.
Gravity pulls things to the center of the earth.
Okay, that sounds good. And Amira?
For me, I think gravity pulls things and makes them fall down.
Good. Excellent. Okay, I'm so glad to hear all of your answers. Everything that you guys said is correct. Next, Umi, can you read this for me?
Sure. Okay. Gravity. The Earth's gravitational pull on a body lying near the surface of the Earth.
Very good, Umi. So, teacher repeat it again. The Earth's gravitational pulls on a body lying near the surface of the Earth. In easy words, gravity is a force of attraction that pulls together all matter, which means anything you can physically touch. Are you guys with me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
teacher.
here.
Did you know that all of you know who is this, right? He is Isaac. Isaac what, guy?
Isaac
Newton.
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 Isaac
Yes,
Newton.
yes. Right. So, Isaac Newton is the one who discovered gravity while in quarantine for the bubonic plague. Next student, this picture shows the apple falls. Who knows because of what?
I know,
Yes, Alia.
because it is pulled by the gravitational force.
Yes, that's good, Alia. So the apple falls because it is pulled by the gravitational force. Are you guys with me?
Yes,
Yes, I'm
teacher.
here.
I'm here,
Good.
teacher.
Yeah, that's good. From the Isaac and Apple fall picture, we can know the Newton's law of universal gravitation, which is the force of attraction F of two bodies in the universe with the mass of m1 and m2 respectively is directly proportional to the product of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. So, this is the formula, which is F equal to G times M1 times M2 over R2, where F is force attraction, G is universal gravitational constant, which is G equal to 6.67 times 10 power of negative 11 nm squared kg power of negative 2. M1 and M2 is a mass and R squared is the distance, which calculate in radius. Dear my beloved students, teacher wants you guys try this question, okay? Teacher give you only 1 minute and I will call random name to answer the question. Naja, please answer the question.
The answer is 9.34 times 10 to the power of negative 8 Newton.
Yes, that's correct. Good job, Naja. By using the formula and information given, we can get the answer 9.34 times 10 power of negative 8 Newton. That's good. This picture shows us a sun and our earth. The earth is pulled by the gravitational force of the sun. So far, do you guys understand what teacher said?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that's good. Now, teacher give you rest for 1 minute. In that time, teacher will play the songs of gravity. Alright, guys?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So, what do you guys feel when heard the song?
There's a lot of information there.
It's fine.
Oh,
This very funny song, teacher.
So catchy.
I
yes,
can
I'm agree with
understand
you all.
gravity better now.
That song is interesting, right?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
So, let's start with our next topic, which is the effect of mass and distance between two bodies on gravitational force. So, two factors that affect the force of gravitational attraction between two bodies are mass and distance between their center. If the mass of the objects increase, the force of gravity increase. The distance between the center increase, the force of gravity decrease. So you guys can look at the example that given below to get a better understanding, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Good. Next, on the surface of the Earth, the force of gravity between the body and the Earth is the object weight. The two forces are related by the acceleration due to gravity, F equal to mg. F is force, m is mass, g is gravity. From Newton's law of universal gravitation, attraction between the body and the earth is given by F equal to G times M divided by R2. Seems like the previous formula, okay?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now, teacher want Amira to answer the question. I give you 1 minute, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So Amira, what's the answer?
The answer is 9.8 Newton, teacher.
Good, that's correct, Mira. So the answer is 9.8 Newton. So last but not least, teacher wants you guys to know the importance of knowing the gravitational acceleration of the planets in the solar system divided by two parts, which are space exploration and survival. For the space exploration, we can use the gravity as a thrust, orbit the planets, and exploration of the surface of planets. Next, for survival, progress in telecommunications, study and forecast of weather, and development of medical research. So student, the conclusion of our lesson today, we can conclude that Sir Isaac Newton's discovery of gravitation as a result of his observation of a falling apple explained his movement of planets and satellites not only in our solar system but also in other systems. It explains why the Earth and other planets were spherical or nearly. There is a gravitational force and an electrostatic force of repulsion between two electrons separated by a short distance. Because the gravitational force of attraction is far smaller than the force of repulsion, the latter takes precedence. As a result, the gravitational force is a weak force that exists at long distance. Are you guys with me?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Good. So now, teacher have provided two hot SPM question. For the first question, teacher want Alia to answer it. And Umi answer the second question, okay? So this is the first question. Okay. Alia, please take note the question, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So this is the second question. Teacher want Umi to take note this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Like always, teacher give you guys 1 minute to answer it. Okay guys, are you done?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it hard to answer?
No.
So Ada, what's the answer?
I believe the answer is B, teacher.
Good. So the answer is B. Me, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what's the answer?
If the mass of the two bodies is double, the gravitational force between them will change 4 times. So the answer is C.
C. Yes, that's correct. Okay, my lovely students. Teacher thinks that's all for today. Love to see you guys give your full attention to my class. One more thing, teacher want to remind you, please, please, please take care of your health and do the homework.
Okay,
Okay,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, goodbye guys. See you next time.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
teacher. Thank you.